Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be preparing Ofe Nsala soup, the native Nsala soup. It's a popular soup, so and cooking it is very easy, so easy to cook, and it's a soup you can prepare in 15 minutes. You're done. So guys, let's get right into the video. But if you've not subscribed to my channel, I'll always beg you subscribe and help your sister to grow. And if you like the video, keep giving this video a huge thumbs up so that the video will go like spread like wildfire, guys. So thank you, and let's continue. So these are my cooking ingredients. This is the crayfish, this is the locust bean, ogiri akwụkwọ or ogiri Igbo. It's called ogiri akwụkwọ or ogiri Igbo. Uziza seed, grinded uziza. Utazi leaf. This dry utazi. I just pieces them with hand. It's dry. Seasoning cube and salt, pepper, yam. This yam will serve as my thickener. I peel this yam this way so that it will cook fast. Some dry fish. Here's the chicken, which I'll also be using in cooking this. So the first thing I'll do now is to season the chicken. So I'm gonna be seasoning the chicken with some seasoning cubes, and some salt. I'll also add small, just a pinch of the uziza seed. I just added a pinch. So after that, I'll mix everything together. So I'll be cooking this chicken in this pot. So guys, what I'll be doing now is to start cooking this chicken. So let's cook the chicken until the chicken start bringing its juices out. That is when we'll now continue from where we stopped in preparing the Nsala soup. So checking to see how the meat is doing. So at this point, the chicken has released its juice. So I will be adding in some water, with which I will be cooking this Nsala soup. So while I'm waiting for the soup to start boiling, I will go right in to add this yam. These yam are going to be used as yam paste that will thicken the Nsala soup. Why I cut the yam in this shape is to enable them to get done on time. So while I'm waiting for while the soup is cooking, I'll go now to wash this I'll be washing this dry fish with which I'll be making the soup. So I'll be using hot water to wash. So you pour in the water, allow the fish to soak in water for some time so that you'll be able to break them into pieces before removing the bones and washing them. So inside the pot, I'm adding this castle bean. I'll just help the locust bean to break up easily by what you just saw me into. This is the crayfish, the fish, our pepper goes in. So this is the uziza seed, grinded uziza seed. So I'm throwing in some uziza seed. So using my spoon, and if you observe, the yam is already done at this point. I will be removing the yam as soon as I'm done with this. So I'm quickly removing all the yam to grind them to form a paste. So the reason why you didn't see me adding palm oil here is because as the name Nsala soup, white soup, Nsala soup is not an oil soup. So I'll leave the soup to continue cooking while I blend the yam. So into the blender, I'll be throwing in the yam. So I'm adding in some water to help my blender in blending this yam. You can use your mortar to make the yam paste. So I'll quickly blend this. So guys, it's time for me to add in the yam paste. So did you hear that? Did you hear that? This soup, as in, I can't wait to start eating it. I cannot wait. Can't wait. Yam paste. I'm adding them in small batches too. You can use your mortar to pound the yam, and you can also add water while pounding the yam so that the yam can easily break up inside the pot, because if you pound the yam just like that, it may take a little longer for the yam to fully dissolve inside the soup. So I'm adding in 2 seasoning cubes, and I'll taste for salt before adding salt if there is need for me to still add salt. So I'll check for salt and add in more salt if there's need for that. Wow, this soup is already tasting delicious, guys. So I'm going to allow the yam to fully dissolve in this, but before that, let me add in some salt. So I'll just cover the pot to allow the the yam to cook out. So guys, as you can see, our soup is doing well. But guys, I don't like my nsala soup watery, and I still do not want it very thick, so I'm just going to add in small water to this, so that by the time the yam is fully dissolved, the soup will not be very thick. So I'll cover the pot back and allow it to get the point I want. So guys, having vegetable in your nsala soup is truly optional. So, but I'll just be adding in small quantity of utazi. Remember, utazi is bitter, so that you don't overdo this and have your nsala soup bitter. So I just added in little quantity of utazi here, and so at this point I will turn off the heat. Look at the soup. I'm okay with this. I'll turn off the heat, so you guys should come and eat.